People, she tell me say $1,000 for the show me the grapefruit, the pink grapefruit where you tell me say $1,000 for. Nobody interrupt me on your business right now. No.
I know I am
Let's
here.
go.
I know I am here and the goods are here only to collect money and they take their goods.
Then leave nothing here for you and lady near Miss Hutchinson.
They can't leave nothing, miss. A plant is leave here for you. Yes, ma'am.
Show me the grapefruit.
Come early because them promise me from talk to Miss Irene.
Why everybody a mess up my spiritual journey? Yes, sir.
Let me just show you.
This is a spiritual journey for me. I don't want nobody to cut the line and mess up my thing. That grapefruit are important to my family. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. You see a pink grapefruit there.
Yeah.
Right over here, this side there.
Right over there.
A pink lemon. So you're misspoken.
Yeah.
You get my blood pressure run up and you run it down.
Yes, sir. Lemon.
Pink lemon.
Yeah.
So when you say pink,
Oh, see red grapefruit.
hey, you try hide my thing. Don't try hide my thing. See prettier.
See the real red grapefruit.
And your son do it. Reed, you know, so my mother last name I Reed. You say $1,000 fee?
No, sir.
What you say?
1,700.
I went it right. Did you say 15? All right, hold it now. No, you said the jewelry where you said the East Indian. Just show me the East Indian.
I find you tell us last time when you come back by.
No, you did find an East Indian.
You did find one for you?
Yes,
The one
ma'am.
right there, sir.
This one?
Yes.
Like this? And one left.
East Indian. Pick a one here. Let me look at it.
Keep looking. That look like one here too.
So one next East Indian.
Oh, that one look pretty.
So one next East Indian.
All
So
right.
you have can't choose from.
Okay.
See one here.
All right. All right. So this is an East Indian. This is one.
Yes, sir.
This is one.
Yes.
And
And
this. I like that one here, no?
Alright.
All right, dear. Where you say 1,000 feet?
No, sir.
Where you say 14? Hey, what's I gonna do today? What's I gonna do today? The rear grapefruit and the East Indian.
Yeah, 3-5, but me fi collect 3.
So what you total that now? And do senior citizen calculator.
Yes, sir. That I will do.
Can't bother with one over people today. And this one of them are free for Christmas.
3-2, sir.
3,200.
Yes, sir.
You're going to lick off that 200 there later. Tell me more of the tree there, make us see. You say you have lime.
Me have lime, me have lemon, me have artinique, me have
Mango.
Artinique.
artinique,
I thought the orange. Okay, may I have some of that.
me have Passa Brown, me have
What was Passa Brown? What's that?
orange.
Orange.
The little original one from we grandmother days.
Okay.
And me have navel fruit and me have pineapple sweet. Pineapple sweet is next to Passa Brown, but it's bigger in size. But it's just like Passa Brown.
It's nice and sweet.
Nice and sweet, but it's bigger in size.
How much for that?
You can get 1,000.
Passa Brown. Rare.
Yeah?
Them rare. So you have the lime. What is?
We have that variegated lemon.
A bugger lime?
No, me have bugger lime too. Variegated lemon.
Variegated lemon.
Just like how we look at the inside.
Me come over.
So what is?
Lychee.
Lychee. How much for it?
One for 3,000, one for
3,000? I would think right.
Machine them now work.
Me have it 2,000 one and me have it 3,000.
So what happened?
No, she wouldn't know that.
Are you son this?
Called Elvira.
Are you son this?
Yes,
She
sir.
would know that.
I am do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what this one here?
Yeah. Put in a number in.
Are you do the tree them? Did you graft the trees then?
What's happening? You see a number when we just.
Wow.
Are you there for carrying time when they go see?
What is ma'am? What is?
That's an orange. Let me tell you which one I orange is. This Valencia.
I don't like how I go on a free international promotion. I need a tree for free. I got to have a free tree today.
Much free talk. They are collect money and farm. I give me money.
You see it here? People. These are the only one we left? Are the last one? Are the last one we left?
On top, that are the gas.
Just tell me which one to cut.
Must send water again. And the one at top run over, right? Two big ones.
What is this one?
No, the one where one is one adjust to.
No, the one where you yellow one.
Just like supposed to turn off.
This is
Turn off the one.
This is
the one we turn on. The one we set straight. Turn it off. If you turn off, the water we still in it. Turn off.
This man in the almost drop right as I'm Hello, here.
Turn all of them off. Turn them crossway.
Almost like when you come.
So you know if you're a while, you don't know water now put in your house. Till me come, me figure out me. Some idea that the amount that trouble for their going now.
Man tell me say,
Yes.
man say put them under the coconut and we have one tree, put them under the tree and put them coconut up.
These are the
Star fruit.
how much for this?
Alright, now I'll give you 1,000.
Hello, thank you ma'am. Can I please get it over there please?
Which one?
That one there. I want to look nicer. Thank you. What's my total so far? 4,000, right? It's 4,000.
This one that you hold was guava, pink guava.
Pink guava. Wow. How much for it?
Alright, make you it with 12 or 15 too.
Pink guava. Nice. All right. So what my total so far? 3,300? Take your time. All right, now you did say they have a special orange tree. What is the most special orange tree you have?
You have Jamaica.
Yeah.
We have a pineapple sweet.
Pineapple sweet is sweet?
Yes, next to Passa Brown.
Passa Brown. Which one of them older generation wise?
Eh?
Which one of them older?
Passa Brown are the older version.
And it's nice and sweet?
Passa Brown are the little round one, them say no man. If they've been green, they're sweet.
Let me get one.
That are original.
Original.
Right. So pineapple sweet now would have come after the Passa Brown.
Yeah.
But it is a bigger fruit.
And it's sweet too?
Yes.
All right, give me it now.
The Passa Brown.
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Reed?
Yes, sir.
I'm Randy Panger. 54,000 subscribers on Jamaica Good Life YouTube channel. We promote things across Jamaica from 2002. I've been filming and promoting Jamaica. 4,002. Right? So I promote the business already. I put it out there. I film our t-shirts. I'm glad for so now though.
You want the pineapple sweet? Like
Yes,
the
please.
Passa Brown?
What do you think we should take? Passa Brown or pineapple sweet? I have some of the yard already, but your expertise?
Pineapple sweet.
Pineapple sweet?
The reason being pineapple sweet is it gives you a bigger fruit than the Passa Brown. The Passa Brown has a smaller fruit, but the pineapple sweet have a bigger fruit, some more juice. But they have both the same characteristics.
So you did all of this?
You don't miss nothing.
I know you do it. Are your brother? Aren't you not Mr. Reed?
Yes.
Are your mother that?
Yes.
So now you do it.
No.
but she tell me say our
My
son.
business.
But I know you graph it.
No.
You have farmers that do.
You have persons who do the grafting.
All right. Can you tell them your number slowly?
864-1339 or 336-2546.
How many years you been doing run this business?
About, say from about 2019 somewhere there.
And you find the trees are getting more expensive and expensive every
No,
year.
Not necessarily. The trees, the prices will change, but not